So students, next topic of the first chapter is methods of expressing concentration of solution. There are many methods of expressing concentration of the solution. We will take it one by one. First method is normality. Normality is expressed as number of gram equivalents of solute प्रेजेंट पर लीटर ऑफ द सोल्यूशन. तो इसके फॉर्मूला को भी हम ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं कि नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूशन स्पेसिफिकली इन लीटर्स. तो व्हाट इज नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट? नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स इज इक्वल टू ग्राम मास अपॉन इक्विवेलेंट मास. ग्राम मास जो हमें प्रोवाइड किया होता है और इक्विवेलेंट मास, हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट इट? इक्विवेलेंट मास इज इक्वल टू मॉलिक्यूलर मास अपॉन एसिडिटी और बेसिसिटी. एसिडिटी और बेसिसिटी स्पेसिफिकली फॉर कंपाउंड्स एसिड और बेस. फॉर बेस द टर्म एसिडिटी इज यूज्ड and for the acid term basicity is used. Like HCl, it can donate 1 H positive ion, so its basicity is 1. H2SO4, it can donate 2 H positive ions, so its basicity is 2. Similarly, NaOH, it is a base, it can donate 1 OH negative ion, so its acidity is 1. And I will take example of MgOH2, then it can donate 2 OH negative ions, so its acidity will be 2. तो acidity and basicity हमें judge होगा when we are having formula of acid and base. Molecular mass we can calculate by simple addition of masses of the atoms. Like for HCl, we can calculate the mass simply by adding the atoms. HCl, mass of 1 hydrogen is 1, mass of 1 chlorine is 35.5, so molecular mass of HCl is 36.5. We can have molecular mass by simple addition of masses, acidity or basicity by formula. Gram mass is given. Volume of solution is present in milliliters. If present in milliliters, it is to be changed in liters. By this, we can calculate normality of solution. Let's take one example of the numerical. So the statement is, what will be the normality of NaOH solution if 4 gram of it is present in 250 milliliter? 4 gram present in 250 milliliter, then you have to tell the normality of NaOH solution particularly. So firstly we will calculate number of gram equivalent of solute. Number of gram equivalent we can calculate by gram mass upon molecular mass. Molecular mass है equivalent mass. Gram mass is 4 gram and equivalent mass is molecular mass upon acidity. So molecular mass of NaOH, so 1 sodium having mass 23, 1 oxygen having mass 16, 1 hydrogen having mass 1, so total is 40. तो अगर NaOH की आप एसिडिटी देखोगे तो एसिडिटी विल बी 1 बिकॉज इट विल डोनेट 1 OH नेगेटिव आयन. तो इक्विवेलेंट मास विल बी मॉलिक्यूलर मास अपॉन एसिडिटी. तो 40 अपॉन 1 इज 40. इट मीन्स इट विल बी 1/10. तो वी विल अप्लाई 1/10 फॉर नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट. ग्राम मास upon equivalent mass, and equivalent mass is molecular mass upon acidity. Volume of solution we are having in milliliter, so to convert it into liter we will divide by 1000. It will be 1/4. Then we can take it 1/10 into 4 by 1. It means 4 by 10, that is 0.4 normal solution. And for as a unit we can write here capital N. 0.4 normal will be the solution when 4 gram of NaOH is present in 250 milliliter. Now second method of expressing concentration of the solution is molarity. So I have taken one numerical related to molarity. What will be the molarity of NaOH solution if 4 gram of it is present in 250 ml? Same is the numerical, but I have changed the term from normality to molarity. So what is molarity? Molarity is termed as number of moles of solute present per liter of solution. Means how many moles are present in 1 liter of solution, it is termed as molarity. 1 liter में कितने moles present है किसी भी solute के, that is molarity. So how can we calculate number of moles? You have done in earlier classes. Number of moles is equal to gram mass upon molecular mass. Gram mass we are already having. Molecular mass we can calculate by addition. Volume of solution is also given in the numerical. So number of moles is equal to gram mass, that is 4 gram. Molecular mass we have done earlier, that is 40. It will be 1 by 10. And volume of solution is in milliliter and it is to be divided by 1000. So molarity, it is expressed by capital M. It will be 1 by 10 means number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter, that comes out to be 1 by 4. 250 by 1000, 1 by 4. It will be same 1 by 10 into 4 by 1 means 0.4 molar. So its unit will be capital M, molar. So 0.4 molar solution will be obtained by adding 4 gram of NaOH in 250 milliliter of solution. Now third method of expressing concentration is molality. Earlier was molarity and it is molality. We will take it by numerical. What will be the molality of NaOH solution if 4 gram of it is present in 100 gram of solvent? Now I have changed it to 100 gram of solvent. What is the molarity basically? Molarity is number of moles of solute present per kilogram of solvent. कितने solute के moles 1 kg solvent में present हैं, that is molality. तो इसको कैलकुलेट करना भी बहुत ईजी है. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इज इक्वल टू ग्राम मास अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर मास. सो ग्राम मास इज 4, मॉलिक्यूलर मास इज 40 फॉर NaOH. It is the same as done earlier. Mass of solvent specifically in kilogram, but we are having in gram, so 100 upon 1000. 1 by 10 into 10 by 1. 1, 10. 1, 10. So by taking reciprocal, 1 by 10 into 10 by 1. And the resultant solution will be 1 molar. For the molar, small m is used. Sometimes we are not having gram mass, instead of gram mass density is to be given. कई बार न्यूमेरिकल में हमें डेंसिटी गिवन होती है, तो डेंसिटी से भी हम फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम, तो हम मास कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ये आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि वेदर वी आर प्रोवाइडेड विद डेंसिटी ऑफ सोल्यूशन और डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. अगर डेंसिटी ऑफ सोल्यूशन दिया है तो डेंसिटी ऑफ सोल्यूशन में से मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन आएगा, तो मास ऑफ सोल्यूट उसमें से माइनस करके हम मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन कंटेन मास ऑफ सोल्यूट एज वेल एज मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग मास ऑफ सोल्यूट फ्रॉम मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन वी कैन हैव मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. as well as in numerical of molarity. If density is given, by density we can calculate volume of solution for molarity numericals. Last method of expressing concentration is mole fraction. Mole fraction is denoted by x. तो न्यूमेरिकल है इसका, what will be the mole fraction of glucose if 18 gram of it means glucose is present in 36 gram of water. तो ग्लूकोज का हमें मोल फ्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट करना है, तो हमने मेंशन किया है x ग्लूकोज. तो मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ ग्लूकोज अपॉन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ ग्लूकोज प्लस नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ वाटर. तो हमें जिसका भी मोल फ्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट करना है, वी हैव टू टेक इट्स नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑन above and on this side number of moles of all the components, whether it will be 2 components or 3 components. तो ग्लूकोज के नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हमने ऊपर मेंशन किए हैं क्योंकि ग्लूकोज का मोल फ्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट करना है. अगर वाटर का कैलकुलेट करना होता तो हम यहाँ नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ वाटर अप्लाई कर देते. तो हम कह रहे हैं नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ ग्लूकोज अपॉन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ ग्लूकोज एंड वाटर. तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैलकुलेट कैसे करते हैं? ग्राम मास अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर मास. ग्राम मास फॉर ग्लूकोज इज प्रोवाइडेड 18 एंड मॉलिक्यूलर मास फॉर ग्लूकोज यू कैन कैलकुलेट बाय फॉर्मूला C6H12O6 and for this 18 by 180 gram mass upon molecular mass divided by number of moles of glucose and number of moles of water. Number of moles of glucose again 18 by 180, number of moles of water, gram mass of water is 36 gram and its molecular mass you can calculate, that comes out to be 18. So by dividing all these we will have mole fraction of glucose. These are very easy methods to solve the numericals related to methods of expressing concentration of solution. Firstly you have to learn all the formulas related to this, then you will be able to solve the numericals. Thank you.